In this video, I'm going to show you how to import sound fonts into LMMS. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to your File Explorer on your computer. You want to go to Documents over here, and then you want to go into LMMS over here. Then you want to click on Samples, and then Sound Fonts. Now, in case you can't find this folder, it means you may have installed this somewhere else. So to know this, you want to go to the top left over here, click on Instrument Plugins. You want to add on an SF2 player, just like this. And then when you click on it, it's going to open up over here, and if you click on this pink folder next to file here, you'll see where you basically have to go. So this is going to be the folder which you have to access. Now in my case, it was the one I showed you how to open, so I just went in there, and I'm going to basically show you how to now put in a SF or like a sound font in there. So it's actually very simple. All you have to do here is, let me actually open this one up. There we go. So all you have to do, you just have to drag and drop it in here. I have one in my downloads folder. It's just a tutorial sound, so SF2. I'm going to drop it in here. There we go. It's now in here, and if I go and open this folder back up again, as you can see, here's my tutorial sound. I can click on it, I can open it, and I've successfully imported my sound font into LMMS. I could go and see it over here. I can use it. If I double click, I could go and just play it in here, etc. Okay, so that's essentially how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.